Hi guys. Discourse community refers to a group of people who have a broadly set of common public goals and have mechanisms to intercommunicate among its members. These communities have a participatory mechanism to provide feedback and information to its members. Now, my discourse community is College of DuPage. College of DuPage is a public community college with its main center located in Glen Ellyn, Illinois. It provides students with both online and hybrid classes to achieve their associate or bachelor's degree at affordable prices. Students living in DuPage community have a greater advantage to get low cost education than the student out of it. Now, few of the reasons I considered this community as discourse community are: first, intercommunication. Uh, the members of the college intercommunicates among each other through emails, which are via Outlook. Now, this can be found between any member of the community, for example, between student and teacher, or between teacher and teachers, or between student and the management. Second, notices and information posted on clipboard across the college. This could be found between the management of the college and the students or teachers. Third, verbal communication. This type of communication can be found between any related member of the college, for example, student and student, or student and teacher, or student and management. Now, the second reason is lexis. Oftentimes we hear students and teachers discussing with each other in the language according to the subject. For example, in an anatomy class, the students and the professor will be discussing each other using a medical terminology to communicate and in order to achieve their respective goal. Other vocabulary which can oftentimes be heard in the campus are like I am going to attend English 1101, I am going to attend VCM 1101, etc. Now, according to Swale's theory, he proposed that the discourse community should have common goals. I argue that statement because I think that the members of the communities can have different goals than the other and still be counted as a discourse community. For example, in the college, students' main goal is to achieve their education and achieve a degree, whereas teachers' main goal is to make sure every student get good grades in their class, which in turn can improve their profile and get promoted to higher post or get better pay. Now, the management goal is to get as many students possible to get admitted in the college to grow it financially. In this community, the members include students, teachers, head of departments, management teams, cleaning teams, inside store employees or owners, and charitable organizations. Members of this community are involved in the participatory mechanisms like to communicate via each other, like via emails or through verbal communications or through the information posted on the clipboard, as I mentioned earlier. These are my citations. Thank you.